Hey everyone, it's Erin Floda here, and I am here setting up for the next week of January, which is January 7th through the 13th. So I have been putting this off, and I'm filming the morning of Monday because I was waiting to hear about the government shutdown, because my layout will be very dependent on if I am working or not. So we're still shut down, and we may be shut down for the rest of the week. So I'm going to go with a pretty minimalist hybrid layout. And if I don't have enough room, I actually started a January orders page and then left this page blank just in case I needed some more room to just do like a dump list essentially. So I'm going to go ahead and set things up, speed you through, put on some music, and I will see you on the other side. All right, so you have seen this type of weekly before. It's pretty simple. I really like the new Scribbles That Matter because they have these plus and dashes, which mark the middle of the page and the middle of the top and the middle down the side, and then the middle of the page with the cross. So I really like that because it makes the setup so super easy. I think that most of their new ones that they're rolling out with have those, but I think they still have some like back stock that doesn't. At least in the US, I'm not totally sure. And then I have a little section over here for priority tasks. I'm painting lanterns for my centerpieces and designing some stickers this week. I left a bunch of space because I didn't know if I'd be going back to work this week or not, given the government funding. So I left a bunch of space just in case I can put in some work priorities there as well. And then I have a little narwhal down here at the bottom with some ice, and it's just poking through the ice. So super easy to draw, sketch out, and that's it. So I hope you guys like this weekly. I know it's pretty quick, but given that I'm doing this on Monday morning, I really want to jump right on into things today. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that kind of jazz, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.